In geometry, a pencil is a group of geometric figures that share a common property. For example, a set of lines passing through a common point is a pencil of lines. A set of circles with a common center is a pencil of circles. And a set of conic sections with a common vertex is a pencil of conic sections. In this diagram, there are 4 conic sections: a circle, an ellipse, a parabola, and a hyperbola, all sharing a common vertex. The vertices of an ellipse are the 2 points where the ellipse intersects its major axis, reaches its maximum distance from the center, and turns around. If the ellipse stretches vertically, as is the case in this diagram, the coordinates of the 2 vertices are 0, -a, and 0a respectively, where a is the length of the semi-major axis. The 2 vertices of an ellipse are the endpoints of its major axis. Thus, the distance between the 2 vertices is equal to the length of the major axis, which is 2a. A circle is a special case of an ellipse. When the focal distance is 0, the 2 foci coincide at the center. The major and minor axes are equal in length. All points on the ellipse are equidistant from the center, and the ellipse loses its typical oval shape and becomes completely circular. Due to its uniform curvature, a circle keeps turning around. As a result, one may argue that every point on the circle's circumference is a vertex. The vertex of a parabola is the point on the parabola at which the parabola turns around. It lies halfway between the focus and the directrix. It is the point on the parabola closest to the focus and the directrix. Lastly, the vertices of a hyperbola are the 2 points where the hyperbola intersects its transverse axis, reaches its minimum distance from the center, and turns around. If the hyperbola opens vertically, as is the case in this diagram, the coordinates of the 2 vertices are 0, -a, and 0a respectively, where a is the length of the semi-transverse axis. The 2 vertices of a hyperbola are the endpoints of its transverse axis. Thus, the distance between the 2 vertices is equal to the length of the transverse axis, which is 2a. Like, share, and leave a comment. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel.